Hi, I'm Kevin.Belzer with eXp Realty, and welcome to Santan Valley. Before going into the house, I wanted to share with you what the community has to offer. So we are standing in Empire Park, which is a beautiful park walking distance from the home. It has multiple baseball fields as well as wide open areas to run with your dog. It even has a children's playground area and plenty of picnic benches to have, well, a picnic. Speaking of picnic tables, you know what this one needs right now? It needs some groceries and stuff on it so I can have my picnic. Well, the good news is there's plenty of shopping around here. You're really close to the Queen Creek Marketplace, as well as multiple Walmarts within 5 miles, Target, and even a movie theater to go enjoy. Another cool thing about the location of this home is its proximity to Schneff Farms, which is a little over 1 mile from the house. It has a U-pick garden with organic vegetables, as well as you can pick peaches, oranges, apples, and grapes. Every year at Christmas time, they have lights set up for it, as well as ice skating in the winter. And come summertime, you have the 4th of July fireworks. And let's not forget about the fall. In the fall, you have one of the coolest things ever. You have the Pumpkin and Chili Party from October 3rd to the 27th. It has hay rides, roller coaster, petting zoo, cornhole games, hydro loop, miniature golf, bonfires, marshmallow roasting, because what bonfire would not be appropriate without marshmallow roasting, a 4-acre corn maze, as well as the world's most difficult maze, which is 10 acres big. Hillbilly Bob's pig races, live music, zip line, pumpkins, fireworks Thursday through Saturday, and a pumpkin patch. And if that's not enough, when you're done, you're gonna have an appetite. So you're gonna need to go to the bakery where you can get a pie, cinnamon rolls, and brownies. Rain or shine, we are bringing you a brand new listing. Today we are at 36094 North Murray Gray Drive in Santan Valley. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's single story with a 2-car garage. It also features the open floor plans, meaning that the kitchen overlooks the great room. The kitchen is upgraded. It has granite countertops. It comes with all appliances, including the fridge, the washer, and the dryer. But there's one more really cool feature I want to go show you in this house. We are in the master bathroom, and it does have the double sinks, the huge mirror, but this is not the special feature. The special feature is the walk-in closet on this master. It is the size of a bedroom, I kid you not. If you would like to schedule a showing on this home, I make it ridiculously easy for you. You can either call or text me at 602-763-8106 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com. Until next time, bye.